So if you were looking at our theme at any point and wondering why it still didn't look pretty, it looks ugly and nothing like the actual template, the reason is because we're having an error loading our style sheet. So I wanted to take this opportunity real quick to show you what's going on here and how you might troubleshoot this. So clearly we're loading some of our styles. We have colors showing up. We have the right font showing up here as our template theme here, or our HTML theme. But when you go ahead and inspect the element and go ahead and look in the header to see which style sheets are and aren't loading, when I scroll down here, let's see. Actually, here's the way that I did it exactly, that I kind of troubleshoot this. I kind of go through each element and compare it side by side to this template one here. And when I got down to the nav bar element right here, there are these first section of background color, margin top, margin bottom, which I also have here. But right below that there's the body, and there's nothing else listed here on my WordPress version. But here, right away, there's this navbar default, and I can see that's loading from the bootstrap.min.css. What that tells me is that this isn't loading the bootstrap.min.css.
Right, even though in our header it's calling it.
Yeah, exactly.
It's still not loading it for whatever reason.
If we go here and look in the header, this is the bootstrap style, and it says that it's calling it, and it's going to fpw.us token content themes token theme css bootstrap.min.css question mark version 4.0. Now most people probably won't be able to spot the error there, and neither could I. So I went back into the back end here and kind of looked at what I had written, because some of the styles are loading and some aren't. And I went and looked at the bootstrap style, get template directory URI, and this is the concatenation term, and then css bootstrap.min.css dot. And that's the thing that's out of place there. There shouldn't be a period after it. You might have seen it as we were going along, but it's a good example so you can learn kind of how to troubleshoot this type of thing. And it was also on the reset.css. So I'm going to delete those periods, reload the page, and as long as it loads the new styles, that's a lot better looking, right? We pretty much have our header and footer, aside from the image here, making it all dynamic. So that's a great lesson in learning kind of how to troubleshoot this stuff. And as we can see here, my bootstrap.css is definitely loading now.
Right.